Hey, adventure seekers! Ever wondered what it feels like to jump out of a plane at 13,000 feet? I'm here to take you inside the exhilarating world of skydiving. Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep. Skydiving isn't just about the adrenaline. It's a sport that combines freedom, precision, and yes, a bit of courage. But what really goes into a skydive? Let's break it down. First off, there's the gear. Your parachute, of course, is your lifeline. It's meticulously packed and checked by professionals. Then there's your jumpsuit, goggles, and helmet. Each piece is crucial for both safety and performance. Now picture this. You're in the plane, climbing to altitude. The anticipation builds. Your heart races. Finally, the door opens. That rush of cold air hits you, and there's no turning back now. You inch closer to the edge, and then you jump. That first moment of free fall? Absolute freedom. It feels like flying, or maybe like floating in space. The ground rushes up to you at speeds of up to 120 miles per hour. And then the chute opens. It's surprisingly peaceful afterward, just gliding down, soaking in views most people only see from airplane windows. But skydiving isn't all just thrill and spectacle. It's also about precision. Landing requires focus and technique. You learn to read the wind and control your descent, aiming for that perfect touchdown. And let's not forget the community. Skydivers share a bond that's hard to find elsewhere. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, there's a sense of camaraderie that comes with facing such an intense experience together. So why do we jump? It's not just the thrill. It's about pushing limits, overcoming fears, and discovering a part of ourselves that's truly free. If you're seeking an adventure that combines beauty, adrenaline, and a touch of danger, skydiving might just be for you. Remember, always jump with certified instructors and respect all safety measures. Skydiving is about freedom, but it's a freedom that comes with responsibility. Ready to take the plunge and experience the ultimate adventure? Dive into the sky. Trust me, it's an experience you'll never forget.